Okay, Yenny and Amber baked an equal number of cookies each. Oh, good. Use model is good. So, you can use other ways, but I use model. Okay, so Yenny and Amber, I'll draw an equal size bar to represent the cookies that they baked. So because they baked an equal number, so the bar for each of them is the same size. After baking, Yenny gave 60 cookies to her neighbors. So I'm going to shade away 60. Okay, you give away, you shade. And Amber give away 18. So the unshaded part is what is left. Now Amber has twice as many cookies as Yenny. So the remaining part of Amber is 3 times that of Yenny. So I indicate as 3 units and 1 unit for Yenny. So from this model, you can see that if I use 3 units minus 1 unit, that will give me this part, this portion. Okay, this is, so that will give you 2 units how much? 2 units is equal to 60 minus 18, 42. 1 unit will be equal to 21. Read the question. How many cookies did Amber bake? Amber, to find Amber, you can go 3 units, 3 times 21 plus 18, or you can simply 21 plus 60. It's okay because they have equal number of, because they bake an equal number of cookies. So you can either find Yenny or you find Amber directly. Okay, so in this solution, I do the easy way, 1 unit plus 60. So it answers 81. Okay, Joven, good. All right, question number 6. Everybody, answer to question number 6. Matthew, Marcus, Angel, you're correct. It's not 25. Dion, you're correct. Ping, you're correct. Anybody else? Andrea, you are correct. Okay, let me do question 6 together with you. Now, there are 90 tables and chairs. There were 5 times as many tables as chairs. So I can say the table is 5 units and the chair is 1 unit. Make sense? You can draw a model if you want to, but I don't think you need to. 5 times as many tables as chair. If you draw a table, draw a model means there's 5 units for table and 1 unit for chair. But I don't think at Parent 5 you need to do that. You can visualize this pretty easily. So altogether, tables and chairs add up to 6 units. Okay? After 50 tables and some chairs were given away, there were 5 times as many tables as chairs left. Now, before we go to this part of 50 tables and chairs were given away, we know that 6 units is equal to 90, right? Because there are 90 tables and chairs and there are 5 times as many tables and chairs. So 90 must be equal to 6 units. Find 1 unit. So 1 unit is 15. And we know that the chair is 1 unit. The chairs are 1 unit. So 1 unit is 15. Then the tables will be 15 times 5. So this is the split between the tables and chairs before the change. The change is 50 tables and some chairs were given away. Now we know 50 tables are given away. We know also that the tables before was 75. So tables in the end will be 75 minus 50, 25. Any question until here? So there are 25 tables in the end. Any question? Okay, let me continue. Now, what happens in the end? There were 5 times as many tables as chairs left. So in the end, the tables will be 5 units and the chairs will be 1 unit. Okay, in the end, the tables will be 5 units and the chairs is 1 unit. Oh, same, no. So meaning this has to be 5 units. Right. And if I divide by 5, I get the chairs because chair is 1 unit. So 25 divided by 5, 5. So this 5 will be the chairs in the end. Chairs at first is 15. Chairs in the end is 5. The difference is the number of chairs given away. Chairs at first is 15. Chairs in the end is 5. The difference is the number of chairs given away. Any question? If I have no question, please give me answer to question number 7. Okay, Andrea, you're correct. It's not 46. 46 is a careless mistake. Come on. Ping, 46 is a careless mistake. Ping, Joven, you're correct. Andrea, Audrey, you're correct. 46 is a careless mistake. Please read the question carefully. 83 is also not correct. This is something, this same question is something that has been tested in a recent primary 4 exam paper. I saw it. So if you couldn't do this question, means when you're primary 4, this question given to you also do not do, right? Or you have forgotten. Okay, to solve this question, you need to draw a model. If you don't draw a model, you will not be able to solve this question, trust me. So first thing you do is you do the comparison model. John has 86 more stamps than Peter. Remember, more than always draw a model. Okay, make sure you got 80. Do you realize why I do the 86 so long? Because I know that I'm going to cut from how many stamps must John give to Peter. So because I'm going to cut from John and give to Peter, so I make sure you just think ahead now. If you read a question, you notice that you're going to cut from John, then make sure you draw John slightly longer, so that when you cut at time, there's space, right? So I'm going to cut a bit from John, cut this amount, and I'll give to Peter. Okay, this is shaded. When you receive, you dot it. You make sure you shade this and then you dot this. Don't everything also shade. Everything is shaded, then will confuse yourself. Okay, so in the end, John will have 40 more stamps than Peter. Now the question is, where is the 40? To know where is 40, you must know where is John in the end. John in the end is here, this line. Okay, let me draw a line for you. This is John in the end. Okay, where is Peter? Sorry. So let's do question number 8. Please revise your work before your tests or work with the average, whatever. Right? You have to revise. You don't revise, you will not do well. There's no shortcut. You just have to revise. Revise means redo the same question again. You all know how to revise now. Revise means redo the same question. Revise not doing new question. Revise means doing old questions. There's no need to do new questions to prepare for exams. So worksheets, questions. That's good enough already. If you've got time, then you're going to do assessment book or partial paper. But this two is most important. Redo your schoolwork and redo math homework or as main worksheets, especially those that you did wrong before. Okay, looks like a lot of people got this wrong. Okay, I hope you use model to solve this question. John has 36 more seashells than Peter. I'm going to draw a comparison model. You notice I make this a lot longer like just now because I know I'm going to cut from John and I give it to Peter. So I'm going to cut how much? After John gave Peter 30, I'm going to cut out 30 and I'll give to Peter. Okay? Peter had 4 times as many seashells as John. Okay, after you do this, right, you must always know who is going to be longer in the end. Peter had 4 times as many seashells as John, so Peter has to be longer. So one common mistake people make is after you transfer, Peter is still shorter than John in your model. Then surely you will get wrong one. The question, your model doesn't reflect the question. All right. So your model must reflect the question. The model, the question says that in the end, Peter had 4 times as many seashells as John, meaning Peter must be longer than John. So make sure when you cut the 30 and put to John, Peter, cut from John, give to Peter, make sure in the end, Peter is longer than John. Okay? So where will Peter be in the end? Here. Wait. Peter will be here. Okay? This is where Peter will be. And where is John? John will be here. Okay? So this is the difference. This is the difference between them. The new difference between them. Okay. Now, Peter had, so this is, Peter had 4 times. So Peter will be here, 4 times is from here to here. It will be 4 units, right? Let me clear this and then I use so this will be 4 units, right? From here to here. See that? This is Peter, 4 units. Where is John? John will be here. This is John. John will be 1 unit. Okay? The difference is here. The difference between them is here. Okay, see, here's the difference. So this has to be equal to 3 units. 4 units minus 3 units. 4 units minus 1 is 3 units. So 3 units is how much? So first, let's do this. 30. Before I do this, let me clear up this picture first. Okay. Now, I want to find out how much is this? I want to find out how much is this. Okay, sorry, I want to find how much is this. This is a new difference, right? Which is 4 unit minus 1 unit. Remember I told you about this? Then the question is, how many seashells does this arrow represent? Okay. Okay, maybe I draw some guideline to help you. So if I use 36 minus 30, I get this number, this value. 36 minus 30, yeah. So this is 6. Okay. Now, how much is this? Anybody can tell me? Type in the chat. How much is this? How much is this? Type in the chat for me. Number statement. It's not 28. Look at the unshaded thing. Don't look at the shaded one. Yes, Joven, you're correct. Isabel, you're correct. You see, it is 30 minus 6. Okay? So it's 30 minus 6. So it's 24. Huh? This part is 24. Okay? And then 4 units you write outside. Don't go and cut the box up into 4 parts. Very confusing. Trust me. Okay? Hear me now, everybody. Redo this question.